Assalamu alaikum everyone and good morning. And this is the first time that I'm using this technology of Telegram. Thank you Huda and the entire team who has organized this a wonderful platform of coaching and training through Telegram. It cannot be a better time than this to have this type of online training when the coronavirus is everywhere. You don't have to go to the office, but still you can expand the business locally, nationally, and internationally. So my topic is basically everybody would like to become successful, right? So the success, no doubt there is a wonderful product that we have. But what you need to understand in the business of network marketing, you need to master the system. And that system you need to master only by learning this. So coming to the system, the sixth system that you need to understand is, number one is prospects. Prospects who you know, that is to say friend, F-R-I-E-N-D. F is for friend itself, R is for relatives, I is for institution or influencer like bloggers, social media guys and all. E is for the employee, all those who are working, they are having their colleagues, they are called employee. N is for the neighbors, and D are the people who are in debt or who are in loan. So this is the first list of people that people have to make who are new members. As far as you are concerned, who are already a diamond and a crown diamond and maybe one or two who are crown ambassador, your friend list is already exhausted, they are gone. So the word after D comes S, and that is called strangers or a cold market. And what's a cold market? Those whom you don't know, whether they are coming from Facebook or they are coming from walking in the street, going to the mall, you bump into somebody and then you start talking. And these are the people that you need to grow. And these are the people, let me tell you, is very interesting. 90% or 95% of the people in your team, they are basically your strangers. The new people that joins in, number one. Now your front line, where there are 6 people or 10 people or 20 people that you have, they will be the people whom you know. But those 20 people who have made you a crown ambassador, or 10 people who have made you a crown diamond, or 6 people who have made you a triple diamond, but underneath those 6 people you have maybe 60,000 people, and all those are basically strangers to you. So you understand, this is a very, very important aspect of our business, the network, where it is grown through your stranger, those people who are basically cold market. Now, when you start making the list of people, especially the newcomers, I'm sure out of this 7,000 people who are listening to me, there will be people who are brand new, and you need to make a list of people. So there are 3 lists that you need to make. Number 1 list are the list of people who know you well, who trust you. That is category 1. Category 2 are the people who have money issue, and category 3 are the people who have health issue. This is list 1, who are the people in your own city, not even the country, in the city that you live, whom you can interact with. That is the list 1. List 2 are the people who are outside your city, 1, outside your country also, with the same 3 category: those who trust you, those having money issue, those having health issue. Then the list 3 are the people who are basically your friends in Facebook. So category 1 are the friends in the Facebook. Say you have 1000 people in the Facebook. Now this is the age of technology, this is the age of social media. So 1000 people that you have, that 1000, all of them will have at least 200 people. So when you are having 1000 people who are your friends, friends are 200 multiplied by 1000, you are talking about 200,000 people. So you will have enough people to talk to. You don't have to go and knock at the doors. So that is system 1, which is, or system A, which is prospects. The second system, system B or system 2, is called questions from the prospects or strangers or people. Now in our business there are few categories of people. One are the prospects, they have their questions. One are those people who have become your consumers, and then there are categories of people who would like to become member and become a business builders. And the last or the most important category are the leaders. That you are a diamond, you have 6-star agent, and those 6-star agent are your leaders. So these 4 different types of people that you have in your business: prospects, consumers, members and business builders, and leaders who are doing the business on their own, of course with your support. So these are the people who will have their questions, who will have their objections, and you need to satisfy them, whether it is on product, whether it is on business, whether it is on what company. So you have to master handling question in a very professional manner. Now I come to the third system, or it is called system C, which is your marketing and business tool. Now there are 3 again categories of the business tool that you will be having. One is the DXN or the company tool, which is a website and brochures and all kinds of links in the YouTube. This is what is category 1 in the business tool. Second category is what you are having, your own business tool, which is your own business card, your website, your Facebook, your own YouTube. This is the second category of business tool. The third category is third party, where you have Dr. Lim's book, or you have the network marketing book, or you have the link of some Ganoderma or spirulina, like you got that imsam.org. So it's not DXN talking, it's not you talking, but somebody else talking about the product, about the business. So you should have all 3 different types of business tool handy. So that is system C, or the third system. The fourth system, which is the oxygen of our business, it is called natural approach. If you have read my book Map Your Freedom, this is the heart of my book. And if you master this skill, how to talk, when to talk, how much to talk, where to talk, and how to break the ice. End of the day, you need to find the problem of people. Now in natural approach, you do not talk about DXN or Ganoderma or health or money. So what do you talk? You talk about them, your prospects. So prospecting is the oxygen, is the blood of our business. So remember, no prospecting means your business is gonna die. So if you are in a day putting, say, 4 hours, so in that 4 hours, more than 50% should be used in talking to new people, prospecting. 52 hours out of 4, 2 hours. 1 hour is basically learning and following up with those prospects and those people who have become consumers and members. And the other 1/4 is you are monitoring your business online, you are looking at the Facebook, you are again doing kind of a direct or indirect prospecting. Every person has a problem, whether that person is living in Amman or whether the person is living in Dubai or in Canada or Philippines or Malaysia. Every person has got a problem. You need to ask questions from these people and find out how deep is the problem. What is the problem? Is that person ready to come out of the problem? And when they say that yes, they have a problem, whether it is health or whether it is money, that is the time that you have to give the solution. Till this time, you don't talk about DXN. This is where we are making the mistakes. So you need to understand natural approach with those magic words, asking the right question, finding where that person can get benefit. That is your talk should be all around. So you master this skill, I assure you, you will become not just successful, highly successful. Remember, Crown Ambassador is a destination, but it is this journey that you're traveling from your star diamond level to that is where how many people's lives have you changed. End of the day, important thing is money, but more important thing is how many people whom you have helped. So that is natural approach, helping people what they want. The fifth system is called natural presentation. Now, when the person is ready to get the health benefit, then you talk a little bit about DXN company and you talk about DXN product. That's it. We are talking to the prospect. That prospect, for example, has got diabetes. And in diabetes, you tell them that our product is not related to diabetic, it goes in the cause of the problem and what are the products that the person need to take. And the company has got 9.5 million people is because of the power of the product, the benefit of the product. So in natural presentation with the consumers who have decided they are ready to take the product, you just talk a little bit about the DXN company and talk about 15-20 minutes on the product. That's it. That is called natural approach. Natural presentation. The person who needs to earn money, there you need to talk about the company, you need to talk about the product, but that should be about maximum 10 minutes. Now this guy wants to know about how he or she wants to earn money and how that person can get say $1,000 within a year time or get a $3,000 to $4,000 in 3 to 5 years time. There you need to explain what is network marketing and how the loyalty point works in general term, not SIMP, not IOC. You need to talk in a very, very general term. Like, you know, you go to the restaurant and you like the food, you talk to the people, then the people go to that restaurant and the restaurant people, you know, get some money. So you need to talk in a very general term, not talking about 6% to 37% and all that you need to put. So this natural presentation should take maximum 30 to 40 minutes and wait for more answers. And this is the time that you need to close this person. That is to say, becomes a consumer, becomes a member, or decides not to do anything. The last system is called system F, follow up. The system 6 system. Follow up is the breakfast of champions. Whatever you have done, all the talk, that person has converted into becoming a member, becoming a consumer member. So now from here onward, the success of that person in the business depends upon you. The consumer who would like to get and see the benefit depends upon you. How much you are following up with those people. So these are the people who are giving you the money, the PV. The other follow-up you need to do is with the prospects. So your calendar in your smartphone, your calendar should be full of these follow-up with these prospects and members and consumers and business builders and leaders. So this is something which is very critical, because we talk to a lot of people. So on the first of the month, and by 30th you have spoken to maybe about 40-50 people, and then you forget about what has happened to the first or the second or the third month people. So you need to have a system, and that system is your calendar, which you have in your phone. So you talk to, say, Abdullah on the 1st of March. So that person says, okay, I'm busy, I would like to, get to know more about the product. Say, call me back after 1 week. So immediately what you do is put that person's name and ask what time. The person says at 9 o'clock, put them on for the 8th of March. So that's how you need to follow up with all these people. So coming to now the conclusion, when you master this system, and it is just like kicking a ball, if you are a football player or you are a cricket guy, hitting the ball, you need to keep on, hitting the ball and master the ball after you have kicked maybe about 100,000 times or 200,000 times. Nobody becomes successful overnight in this business. This business is big. This business requires time, not just talking aimlessly, not just, talking about the features. You need to focus on the benefit of the product, benefit of the business, benefit of why they should be joining. So this is what I feel, and it is something most of the highly successful people who are getting good income is because they have mastered the system and mastered the skills. The more that you are talking, the better you will get in prospecting, and from prospecting, the next level is making them a consumer, making them a member, and finally making them a leaders. Our business is called network marketing, and this network are the people, and these people, those 6 people who will make you a diamond, and those 6 people will make you a triple diamond. So you have to make them just like you or better than you. So these people that you have, for example, 6 front line, and then you open up another 4 lines, 10, and then you open another 5 lines, 15, and then you open 5 lines, 20 lines. And these 20 lines, if you have solid leaders, so your business is going to multiply to give whatever income that you need. The bigger the number, the bigger the people who are actively involved, who are using the product, who are talking to the people, gets your business to the top level. So that is all. I have to go for my prayers. I'm a little late. I wish you all the best. You are doing a great job. If this way that you are going about, I'm sure we will be just not just wherever we are. We'll go 10 times. From the 15th direct selling company, we can go to the 10, and we can go to the 5 also. Wish you good health. Take care of your health, the way things are going on. Take care of lot of product. Go into mega therapy with Rishi, Spirulina, Morenzi and Cordyceps. Do the business sincerely with good intention, and I'm sure you will be successful. I wish you all the best. for you and your family good health and happiness. Thank you and masalama.